ITS, the Intelligent Transport Systems market, is a growing market. Melbourne, for example, has about 100,000 people joining this city every year. And with that, the congestion rises because the investments into the intelligent traffic systems infrastructure is behind. The overall loss in productivity each year in Australia is considered more than 16 billion Australian dollars. So what we need to do in the ITS market is to invest further into our existing infrastructure to get more out of this infrastructure, to make the cities more livable and to have less congestion.
With all this new technology, what can be applied in the arena of connected cars and floating car data, self-driving vehicles, all this around this technology trends, we will see that the roads will be used very different than they are used today, and it's also provide cities with the right answers how they can optimize and even use their network more efficient.
Living in Melbourne, for instance, everyone can see congestion and how difficult it sometimes is to get from A to B. So I think some of these trends are the same. And I think exactly these sort of interfaces are what matters most, because transport is an individual question, and it's going to be one of these key questions, how we can make sure that on a personalized level you find the right options, whether it's a car, whether it's a bike, whether it's a train.
Technology ensures reduction of congestion, an increase of efficiency and a reduction of travel time. For example, at the Sydney Harbour Bridge, Sage Automation, a Siemens partner, implemented a new traffic management system using Siemens technologies. With that, RMS Sydney, the Road and Maritime Services of Transport for New South Wales, are able to manage with higher flexibility the traffic, reduce congestion, decrease the travel times, and manages with more efficiency.
The Siemens ITS history is a very long history. We are doing ITS business all around the world and more than 35 years. We have installed more than 120 ATMS, Advanced Traffic Management Systems, all around the world, and more than 35,000 controllers are from Siemens. V2X is the communication between the infrastructure, road infrastructure, and the cars. And with the V2X, it would allow us to communicate with the driver, with the cars, and to warn the drivers, for example, of an upcoming roadwork or an incident. And we would increase with this technology the road safety significantly.
V2X technology has a significant potential to radically change the way that our roads and our road networks are managed, particularly in terms of safety. So some of the demonstrations you will see today is predominantly a safety improvement on the existing road scenarios. The main advantage of V2X technology is also significant improvements in efficiency, in throughput, in congestion reduction, and in the overall more efficient use of a road network. The in-vehicle tablet display is produced with a warning alerting you to what is happening further down the track well before you can actually see that road sign as a driver.
We are working also on new advanced traffic management solutions around big data and artificial intelligence to be able to come up with the right algorithms and the right operating systems for cities to run such a complexity for the good of all citizens. Because that will be the main challenge, that not only some of the citizens, some group, maybe the richer part of the citizens are mobile and can use the network, but everyone can use the network.
ITS technology can have a big impact on society. Our solutions are already used in many other cities of the world. We have a very strong footprint than more than 140 years.
The key success factor of each of our projects, defining the common target with the customer and then bringing the right products and bringing the right solutions into the project.